Good morning, everyone. It's December 21st of 2025. I apologize for not getting a lot of videos out there. December, as you know, can be a very, very challenging month, and it hasn't disappointed this year as far as just pure chaos, getting ready for the holidays here. And then we had an unexpected funeral out in Cedar Rapids as well. But I've always told you guys, family first, and then you can trade. And it's very, very important that you keep your priorities straight. The market will always be there. It's not going anywhere. And I think one of the hardest things to do as a trader is that you always have this in the back of your mind that you need to be there in order to see what's happening. And the truth is that if you understand the trend of the market, you don't need to watch every tick. And there are a lot of you in the Discord server who have come to realize that, and you're starting to have a life outside of the charts where we look at the setup going into the day, and then after the first 2 hours and 10 minutes or 40 minutes, we get a good idea of the possible scenarios that could play out for the day. And it's not uncommon for us just to leave for the second 160-minute candle, and it's awesome. It's very freeing, I guess, to know that you don't have to be there. And that's my challenge for a lot of the new traders that are out there. So many of you, I know where you are because I was there once in my life as well, where you really believe that you have to be there for every tick just in case. And as you become more confident in your trading and in your process, uh, there are guys now who will only look at this one time a day, and they feel very, very confident in how they trade. So that's my Christmas wish for you as a trader. If you're struggling, is that you get to the point where you build your confidence and that you're consistent. So without anything else to say here, without further ado, let's get to the general health of the market here, and let's talk about UDOW. We're still green and beautiful on the year and on the quarter. And someone in the Discord actually asked me why that's so important. And my short answer was, okay, so if this wants to go red for the year, the open was 48.23. So we would have to hit this pretty hard in order for this to go from green to red. Um, you can see that we kind of paused here for the week, and we've already gone two up on the month. So the only scenario that could play out here would be a three. I'm not saying that that can't happen. I'm simply saying that it looks like that we could get the pause and the possible reversal back up, or we could come back down here and take out this previous low of 56.05. That's UDOW. TQQQ, same thing. We've got a very strong candle for the year and for the quarter. And now we've got a hammer here on the week where we went 3-2 here. We possibly could get back up here. Inside month, so this is irrelevant to me. But I do like how we went inside and up, and we tried to get above the 10 here. And we'll see if we continue back up here to 57, or if we reverse and take out 49.29, or if we come back here to 45.39. TNA, same scenario here. We've got this possible 222 rev setting up for next year, where we could retest the 10 and then come back up and complete the combination. We've got a nice 2 where we bounce off the 10 for the quarter. And then on the month, just a beautiful, beautiful retracement, and then a bounce off the 10, and buyers came in, and now we completed the combo. The question is, are we going to come back up here and take out this previous high at the end of the year. Anything can happen. I don't know if that will. But we are set up for the 222 rev going into next week. I know this is a red candle, but colors do not matter with the Strat. We have a nice inside day here as well for the day. SPXL, same thing. They're all pretty much set up the same way. 322 rev setup, or we could go 3222 down, or we could go 321. You got to keep an open mind. We just trade the price. We don't try to predict what's going to happen. We just know the scenarios that can play out, and we trade accordingly. And then with Soxel, this was a big winner for us. We ended up catching the nice reversal here, the nice gap up when we paused, and then we caught this move up as well on Friday. Looks good, looks nice and strong. I like how it got above the 10 here for the week. Before this even happened, we were talking about this scenario where we would stop everyone out and then possibly reverse and then close above the 10. That was the ideal situation if you're a bull. If you're a bear, obviously you're not very happy about that. One other stock that we traded quite a bit last week was Tesla. Tesla continues to consolidate here, and it looks good. It went 2 up on the year, and it's just a matter of how high can we go. So many people hate Tesla, and we got back into Tesla right in this area when we did the 222 rev strat, and then once we got above this 10, we were managing the trade, and then we hit target right there, and I think the majority of us got out as well. If you have a smaller account and you can't trade Tesla, trade the ETF, trade TSLL. This is a 2X, and it's the same price action right here. This was the rev strat, and we just let it do what it needed to do, right to target. So that's how we approach the day, the week, and all this stuff is shared within the Discord server. It's a free server. We've never charged for it. We're not going to start anytime soon. The goal is to educate as many new traders out there for free and to help change lives. We're not in it to make money, and not that there's anything wrong with that. Please don't hear that. It's just my way of giving back. I told Rob when I met him that if I ever understood it at a level where I was consistent and profitable, I would give back immensely, and that's my heart and my desire. And come and check us out at the Discord server. But that's pretty much all I have for the market review. All right, until we meet again, take care and God bless.